Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. If you're looking for a light and flavorful recipe, try this miso tofu. It's quick and easy, an ideal choice for a hassle-free meal. Let's get started. Miso is a seasoning made by fermenting grains like soybeans, rice, barley, or a combination of these. Naturally fermented miso has many health benefits. Look for miso that contains only basic ingredients. Avoid those that use a lot of flavoring additives like sugar and MSG. There are many types of miso on the market due to differences in ingredients used and fermentation time. The miso color is often a good indication of its flavor profile, with darker miso being more savory and umami-rich, while lighter miso is sweeter and milder. I personally think the stronger red miso pairs better with the relatively bland tofu. This dish is incredibly simple to make. Let's dive in. 1 green onion and mince 1 teaspoon each of shallot, garlic, and ginger. Depending on your preferred texture, you can choose any type of tofu for this recipe. I like the soft, smooth texture of soft tofu. Keep in mind that firmer tofu is easier to cut and less likely to break apart while cooking. Preheat the pan and add about 1 tablespoon of oil to it. Add the minced ginger, garlic, and shallot. Saute until fragrant and golden brown over medium-low heat. Add 1½ tablespoons of miso for a pound of tofu. No additional seasoning is needed. Of course, that depends on the sodium level in your miso. Adding other seasonings like sugar and soy sauce will definitely add layers of flavor to the dish. To me, just the miso alone is very tasty. Add about half a cup of water to dissolve it. Wait until it boils. Then add the tofu. Spread it out evenly in a single layer. Add water up to half the height of the tofu if necessary, but don't add too much that it becomes watery. Bring it to a boil again. Cover and cook for 5 minutes over medium heat. Don't flip or turn it as you might break up the tofu. Just let it cook for 5 minutes, then stir in a slurry of water and cornstarch in a 1-to-1 ratio. Gradually pour the slurry into the sauce and allow some time to check the consistency before adding more. Mix in gently so you don't break the tofu. Add half of the chopped green onions and then it will be ready to be served. Miso can be easily incorporated into vegan meals, adding a savory umami taste to dishes like this tofu-based recipe. It's rich in probiotics, supporting gut health and digestion. Just beware that miso can have a high salt content. It's important to enjoy in moderate amounts to reap the benefits. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.